Believe in the power within you. Because once you truly believe in who you are, you don't just think it, you live it. You become it. Imagine for a moment, you wake up from a coma with no memory of your past. And you're told you were once a Navy SEAL. Resilient. Disciplined. Fearless. And now they want you back. Wouldn't you carry yourself differently? Wouldn't your confidence shift? Wouldn't your entire identity rise to match that belief? Now picture being told you were a quiet piano teacher instead. Same soul, different belief, different life. Success in life begins with one thing. A belief system that lifts you, not limits you. The world doesn't define you. You do. Believe, deep in your soul, that you're rare. That you're born for something meaningful. Something great. If you carry the belief that you're one of the best in your craft, you'll move differently. You'll speak differently. You'll show up with presence and passion. You won't sound rehearsed, you'll sound real. Raw. Powerful. Authentic. Your mind is like a circuit board. And belief? That's your wiring. Wire yourself for greatness, or you'll always hesitate at the edge of your destiny. If you're unsure of who you are, your goals will remain just that, dreams with no anchor. Everyone battles doubt. Even those you admire. Even the legends. But they don't let doubt own them. It's about how you respond in the storm, replacing fear with faithful action. Overriding hesitation with trust in yourself. You must know, not guess, not hope, that you are bigger than any moment you face. The greats. They see differently. They think beyond the ordinary. They move through life like it's theirs, because it is. So here's what I need from you. The next time your effort is low, ask yourself, what am I focused on right now? If you're giving 50%, 30%, or worse, you're probably not seeing the gift in front of you. You're seeing a burden. You're not thinking of the chance to grow, to rise, to evolve. You're thinking of what you have to do, not what you get to do. You want to know how I stay fired up? How I stay driven in the face of pain, judgment, adversity? I keep my mind locked on the opportunity, not the obstacle. Every day I wake up and say, I'm alive, baby. And that means today is sacred. This moment is a gift. A new shot at something better. If you want to become someone you've never been, you must think in ways you've never thought. You must believe like never before. Your effort will soar the moment you stop seeing life as a duty, and start seeing it as the miracle it is.